In a bustling hive, high above the ground, lived a wise wasp named Waspin, quite renowned. He was a skilled warrior, strong and brave. But he didn't just rely on his silent grave. One day, he stumbled upon a strange sight. A new insect, called Polydnavirus, in flight. This tiny parasite, unlike any he'd seen, carried a weapon that could surely be seen. Polydnavirus, though small, was far from weak. Possessing a secret weapon, it couldn't speak. It injected its potion into the wasp's prey, a paralyzing venom that would keep them at bay. Waspin, intrigued, took the parasite in and studied its methods and where they begin. He saw the power in working with another, a lesson in unity, a bond stronger. He shared his findings with his hive mates, too, teaching them about the Polydnavirus crew. With knowledge shared, they worked together, creating a bond that made them stronger together. From that day forth, they learned to cooperate, fighting as one, side by side, never to separate. Thus, the wisdom of the Polydnavirus was shared. A lesson of unity, a call to be prepared. In every challenge, find strength in union. For together we stand, divided we are soon undone. So remember, Waspin's tale of the Polydnavirus. A parable of unity, not to be ignored or cursorily.